Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video we're not going to do a review on this car. We're just going to check on some services I had to do in it. I've done a previous review on this car before and detected some issues in the interior, and thanks to that video, a friend of mine named João Bosco Lessa, who is subscribed to my channel and is always contributing with very nice, important comments on the cars and some technical information, has sent me the parts that were missing on this car so I could do all repairs I'm going to show in this video. So stay with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and share this video, to subscribe my channel in case you haven't subscribed yet, and also click the bell for news. So let's go on. I've done a review on this 1971 Plymouth before, and during this review I've detected an issue in this car since it was missing the two rear side internal panels. They were in bare metal with the outside paint only. It was kind of weird really when I looked at the car, because the car had its interior with the seats, the cushions, the door panels, but no rear side panels. And that was very unpleasant. When I presented the video, one of my friends, João Bosco Lessa, has seen this video and he knows a lot about cars. He's also a Diecast model car collector, a great customizer, and he has written incredible comments on some technical information on the cars, since he knows a lot about those muscle cars. And he told me he had two panels remaining from a car like that he has lost due to zinc pest. The car had completely disintegrated. I was really sorry about that, because I really hate seeing this happening, and especially to a nice person and to a friend. And he's donated those side panels for me. They used to be black. I've primed and painted them in the original color they were supposed to be, in this case metallic blue, and installed an interior of this car. So we're going to see these repairs in this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's go through the video right now. By looking at the interior, we can see the new rear panel. It's a little different from the door, and the wood grain pattern was something I really couldn't reproduce as well as the original one. But despite those tiny differences, I am really happy with the result. I could manage to paint that with spray paint, and I think it really matched the rear seats, the rear left panel, and the left door. We see slight difference in tone, but I really like the result. I'd like to thank my friend John Bosco again for this very kind act, since he's donated those rear side panels and I could install them in the car. Even though they didn't have 100% perfect fit, they could fit well and make my car complete. So I thank you again, João Bosco, for this very kind act, and I thank you all for the views, for all likes, subscriptions. Don't forget to like and share this video. This helps the channel a lot. Write down your comments, what you think about the video and about the car. And have you had any problems, any issues with any diecast model car manufacturers? Write down your comments. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.